like, I just like the wrapping paper. You what?
This would only last for a day. If you broke it, it would only last for a month. Cheap one would be favorite. Well, actually, the favorite will be the boxes.
Right. Look! Jimmy, can you scoot over a little bit? Jimmy, scoot over a little bit so I can see Peter. This way, over here. There you go.
You already batteries? Where are they?
They're in the kitchen. Oh. What is that, Peter? Is that a big truck? Whoa.
Where at?
Bottom drawer. It's chips. I don't know.
Peter, you want to put batteries in the car?
Let him open it first. What is that, Peter? Baseball! It's baseball!
Can you open it?
You got 2 baseballs in there, huh?
It's a pretty cool setup.
Yeah. Yay!
What did I do? This is working good.
Yeah. Yeah, new shoes that are all fixed. Yay! Oh. No, that's Peter's. You got another one over here, Jimmy. Look under the paper. There's a little one over there. Look. Pick up the paper and look. On the floor. There's paper on the floor. Pick it up and look under it. There's another one.
Whoa.
Oh boy, Peter, what is it?
Buzz Lightyear.
Is it Buzz Lightyear? Show me. Wow. Okay, open your other presents first. Jimmy, see that paper right there? Pick it up and look underneath it. I think there's another one under there. Look, there's a little one right there. Yay, it's Bubbles!
Present unopened, Jimmy, right there. Right there. Right there.
Right there. Daddy just hit it with the gun. It's next to yours. There you go. Oh boy, Peter. I don't know, what is that?
Wow.
Did you get chips too? What is that, Jimmy?
It's
Bubbles! Oh boy, Peter.
in there.
Okay, just sit down and watch. Let Peter open them.
This one.
No, those are Peter's turn. Look, you got a bunch of them over there. Peter. Oh boy. Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Peter. Happy birthday to you. Okay, blow it out.
Hurry, blow it out. Blow once. Blow hard. Blow 'em. There you
Hey, Jimmy, calm down. Oh boy, what else? There's 3 more over here. You got an airplane too! Yay! That's Peter's, but he'll share with you.
got all kinds of new toys. It's time to be happy. Tickle one set up.
You got 2 more, Peter. You got lots of presents, huh? Hey, Jimmy, you need to be happy.
Yeah, play together actually on the TV.
What is it, Peter? Look what's on the shirt. What's on there, Peter? Is that an alligator?
Try.
Cool.
All these new toys.
Okay, one more.
You gotta be happy.
This is a good one. It's Winnie the Pooh paper. I bet you Peter will share these with you, Jimmy. He'll share. What is it? Is it cookies? Oh boy! There's lots of cookies, so you can share with Jimmy, huh? Okay, all done. Happy birthday, Peter! Oh, should we open it? Okay. Careful, don't let it fall. Is that pretty cool, Peter? You're getting pretty good at that, Peter. Careful. Oh, there he goes. Go get it. Go save it. Okay, sit down and say hi to everybody.
Hi, Daddy.
Sit down.
I see.
No, you have to be able to be on the other side for them to see you. Go sit on that side. What did you guys do today? Did you guys go to school?
Yeah.
What did you do?
God.
School, yeah, school is all done. Did you color?
Yeah.
What did you do?
Yeah.
Did you learn about letters?
Uh-huh.
And did you play with toys?
Yeah, we're getting printed 20.
Yeah, and today was Peter's birthday, huh?
I need a birthday too.
Yeah, birthdays are
I need
fun.
a rectangle birthday.
A rectangle birthday present?
I need an orange rectangle.
Really?
I need white queen square.
A Lightning McQueen one too. Peter, go sit down.
No, I need
Yeah? Peter, go tell them what you got for your birthday. Go sit down and tell them. You have to be on the other side.
It's an airplane.
Yep, you got an airplane. What else did you get for your birthday?
The birthday is in the airplane.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah? How old are you now, Peter?
That's
No. You have to stay on that side for them to see you. How old are you, Peter?
like a
You're 4 now, huh? Yep, show me. You're 4. Put your pinky up. That's 3. You used to be 3. There you go. Now you're 4. Oh, yeah. Jimmy, how old are you?
5.
5. Yep. Getting pretty big. Can you stand up and show them how tall you are? Whoa. That's pretty tall. Peter, go over there and show them how tall you are. Wow. You guys are both really tall. Jimmy's a little more tall than Peter. Pretty cool, huh? Do you guys like the boat?
Yeah.
Do we have a boat? Do you get to sleep on the boat with Daddy while Mommy's gone?
Yeah. Look.
Yeah. Yeah. It's a present you got today, huh? Oh. Okay, say see you later, alligator.
See you later, alligator.
Peter, say see you later, alligator.
Alligator.
Blow kisses. Jimmy, blow kisses.